Ayo, it's the Ace Tyler to SKZ representing Lengtonghoih Hip Hop. And I wanna dedicate this song to Michael M.Sailo aka 135, and to all your fans around the world, all you Ace maniacs, I know you love him. Well, it's a song called Little Angel, which I'm gonna cover with a rap verse of mine. I hope you all feel it. There's also some love and respect to this most celebrated rapper of the Northeast, the first ever lesson from a reason. But before we come to the song, here's a little rhyme for you, Ace Man. Ace Man, you got a voice that touches every sentiment. Your music's so powerful than a whole regimen. Many people raps and flow, but you always the general. Your music will live on even after your funeral. You've brought hip hop to the Northeast and take it to another level. Your flow so simple yet so international, and no doubt ain't nobody can ever beat your rhyme so phenomenal. Your first hit to the last had always been a blockbuster. You wrote it so clever like a fox hunter. Your brain is so deep to reach like it's locked from under. And the day you pass away will always leave a mark in every calendar. We respect you, soldier, for the songs you've given. I hope and pray Heavenly Father save you a place in heaven. You were born a champion and died a legend. We salute you, brother. We'll always remember the name Ace Man.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so deep.
Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, I know there's a lot bothering you. My conscience tells me this ain't gonna do. I don't even know how I'ma get this through, but in time you'll understand how we act a fool. There were nights when I knelt beside your bed, missing all the tears that you cry, when mine instead held a pillow, resting your weary head as I put aside the bedtime stories we read. At times I think I failed you as a dad, with these memories of the good times we had. Picnics as a family of 3, sought for candies and Ice Age on DVDs. The evening the doctor pulled out your first cavity, beneath the pillow was a 24 the tooth fairy. My life is such, the one you love gotta go. How come, how long? I guess we never know. I'ma do whatever it takes, through the bends and sakes, bruise and aches, and I'ma watch you grow. It's scary, maybe, baby, you gotta be strong. Close your eyes as I play you this song. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes. There were nights you couldn't understand when I made you do things after you said you can. Made you stay up late, way past your bedtime. You kept missing lines from your nursery rhymes, and you know though you hate it, it left you educated. Full marks as stated, you earned it dedicated. Never would have lived birthday kisses belated. Rest assured together, we're gonna make it. Cherish the moments you wake me every morning. Never seem to stop smiling since the day you was born. I'm sorry, you called me at the office the other day. The lady had to tell you daddy was away. The truth is, I'd rather hear your voice. After all, you're my little girl, my one and only choice. I'd rather give you piggyback rides, my arms on your side like ain't nothing else to hide. My hands on your tummy make you laugh when you're grumpy, chase you across the halls like Tom and Jerry. And I promise I'm always beside you, girl, even long after death, till the end of the world. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes. I salute you, listen, with hands on my chest I say amen. And if I could, I would save the accident. Ace man, this is not fear, man. come back if possible. I'm your number one fans. Nothing can ever be more shocking than this news I heard about you the other day on Facebook. Couldn't believe it first, so we're taking over. Look, damn, it was fucking true. I can't stop the tears from rolling down, so I took a sip of beers. But maybe heaven's got a better plan for you. But still we're shedding tears for you, cause we miss you. Ain't no rapper allowed who can never take your place. I say grace to God for your place in heaven. Can't you listen to these voices calling your name? Every little kid wants you back in the game. This whole world of hip-hop is totally sucked with this news and post that breaks every heart. Until we meet again, I'ma keep on grinding. Keep you in my heart, I'ma keep on fighting. I know you're in heaven, watching from above. Just rest in
Little
peace.
angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby.
We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye.
I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.